what's the
Recording.
thing on YouTube?
This is Yi that usually records the videos, you know.
Wait, what's it called?
What?
Hi, YouTube.
I feel really creeped out. Like, really.
Alright.
There's like 200 people staring at me.
Don't worry, Ginger. This is the only time you'll ever get this much attention.
Yeah.
And we're not even giving you attention. It's just the camera.
The only people who gave him this because it makes him feel special.
What are you doing?
No, it's to cover his ginger hair.
Yeah. Laser on. Go, 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 go!
Where's the flag? Somebody!
Move up!
Get down, get down!
They're looking smart.
Dude, no one was covering me!
Come on, call your hit! Call your hit!
Come on, guys. Move up!
You don't hit nobody yet, man.
Hold the wall. What? In general quarters! Move up!
Yi, you wanna go up there? Do it! Go, Yi!
Go!
I got your back! Hurry up, Yi! Yeah, Yi! Move back! Move back!
Go!
Move back! Watch it, watch it.
Suicide!
No, we have that flag.
Do we have suicide? Yeah, we have suicide. We have all three.
Guys, just watch those flags.
Guys, Matt, go back over there! Hey!
Watch out. Do we have anyone in suicide?
Yeah, we do. I just saw a person running.
I know, I see him. He's the Titan. Watch out.
Where's
No, coming up the side! Coming up the side! Right in there! He's out, he's out. Bang! Oh, you already hit.
I'm here! I swear to God, if you fucking see me.
Friendly, friendly, friendly. Set! Be friendly. Oh, he's not! On the side! He's out! He's out! Let him out! He's out! No, I don't know. Hold on, wait. All right, come out.
What team are you on?
Blue.
You're on blue?
Yeah.
Are you on pink?
Huh?
You have pink on your arm.
Oh, pink. Sorry. I was versing blue. I'm pink. I'm pink. All right, then let him out. Is he out? Oh, I wasn't shooting at him.
Ask you what team you're on.
There's someone in here. Have fun with that. You're probably better off going around. You're probably better off just going around. Yo, cover me, I'm coming out! Hey!
What?
Oh, this. Up there. In there. Just shoot out there if you can.
Yeah, I know I can see it. I can see it. So they don't go by the field.
Oh, crap. Wait a second. Ow! Hit! Go, go! What the? What was that? Friend. I swear.
Nobody there.
Whoa, it's like there is. There's a guy right on the side in there. Matthew, go up! Damn it. Reloading! One of you guys lit me up. Just now, one of you guys lit me up. I didn't see it. Someone did. Good job.
That was a good game, and from here, it's nice to watch.
Got it.
Rick calling his name.
Now cover out. Are you actually losing it?
I was running up to get that flag.
I was.
He won.
Dude, we didn't sign off.